Hello, my name is Lars Farnstrom and I am the CEO of Raw Labs. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to present our company. We are a Swiss startup founded in 2015 as a spin-off from the EPFL, the Polytechnical University in Lausanne. I'm also very pleased to announce that we have just completed a $5.5 million capital increase in order to support the increase in demand for our solution. Our company has a strong team of executives with deep domain knowledge from both the technology side as well as from the financial industry. Joining me now is our co-founder and chief scientific officer, Professor Anastasia Alamaki, who will explain you why she created Raw Labs.
Hi, I'm a professor at EPFL and I co-founded Raw Labs in 2015 with Miguel Branco. To automate digital transformation, we need to offer a technology for multi-source data management. Raw offers such a technology in a serverless, fully federated infrastructure which hides the complexity and minimizes data to query time. Raw facilitates building business applications while maximizing data value and customizes its services in real time by learning the needs of the enterprise.
Thank you very much, Anastasia. So, what does Raw Labs actually offer? Our value proposition is quite simple. We want to enable our customers to get valuable data into the hands of their data consumers as quickly and economically as possible, so they can make better and faster decisions. To enable this, we have created Raw Data Fusion. You can think of Raw Data Fusion as a platform that makes it extremely easy and fast for anybody to access any data in any format, in any location, curate it and even enhance it with machine learning to create new insights that can then be easily consumed across the enterprise. Because we access data at source, we essentially eliminate the cost and risks associated with copying data around. This gives us the ability to provide an unprecedented short time to insights. I will now hand over to Jeremy Posner, our VP for Financial Industry Solutions, who will explain in more detail how Raw works and who will give you some examples of use cases.
Thank you, Lars. Our world is one where getting the right data into the shape that's needed for analytics is time-consuming and full of barriers. Analytical consumers want to access all types of data from multiple sources as quickly and efficiently as possible. The traditional route means copying of data from the sources on the left to the consumers on the right and duplicating much of it in the process. We can think of this barrier as the wall between data and analytics, which includes unnecessary elements of cost and risk, and also results in both data timeliness issues and data gaps, where vital input data is needed but not available. In a large enterprise, this problem is magnified and is manifested as great complexity which affects business agility. With Raw Data Fusion, you can perform analytics without moving the data. Users can just ask questions at source. And by not moving the data, we improve the time to value, reduce risks, simplify your complex analytics stack, and hence save money. Raw Data Fusion has been designed from the ground up to deal with complex data in multiple formats. The data world is no longer just rows and columns. Hierarchical data and multi-dimensional arrays are ever more popular, and other products cannot cope well with these structures. Our unique features include the ability to access, read, and represent these data types, schema inferencing and our NoDB approach, which means we don't need to create structures first, caching and query optimization stages using our hierarchical query engine, and we wrap this up in a singular, easy-to-use SQL-like language for query and manipulation. All of this is executed on a scale-out infrastructure either on-prem or in the cloud. Here are some use cases we see from financial services. They range from business-focused areas such as research, risk management, operational and customer analytics, to more cross-domain infrastructure use cases such as cloud data access points and data marketplaces. Our ideal use case typically involves data across multiple formats, different structures and locations, and where time to answers really matters. If you have need to access all your data for analytics, get faster insights at less cost, then please get in contact with us and we'd love to speak to you further. Thank you.
There are so many use cases for RAW, each of them handling different complex data issues, but which is most commercially compelling?
Two phrases come to mind. This is magic and too good to be true. We offer a process to access and combine data from various sources that's fast, regardless of data size, while being imperceptible to the user. The problem is half a century old, and our solution works because it is a fundamentally new approach not seen or used in any other commercial offering, and it attracts keen interest from technologies, future successful customers, and build partners.